Look at all the bugs.
I know.
Thank God.
Watch the copter on the.
That's a different helicopter.
It is.
Oh, yeah, I see the limo. It's probably for the same
just
people.
land?
No, must not.
I don't know.
They might be taking off.
Yeah, but the limo hasn't left yet, so I don't think the people have gotten out.
I don't think so.
Oh, they're waiting for the helicopter to turn off.
I think they're waiting for the Mohegan Sun guy to come with the truck.
Oh.
He came to
You
last.
can hear it.
Oh, he's shaking
Here he
off.
goes.
Sayonara.
Oh, maybe it was dropping them off. Maybe that was a pickup. Maybe that was the one from earlier.
Maybe.
Maybe they just felt like going for a day trip.
Yep.
Over to Mohegan.
Here they go.
How cool is that?
Adios.
And then it goes up the river.
Is this the way it did it?
Yep, that's the way that it went early when Papa was here.
Wait, did you see it take off or land?
I saw both.
Where
I
did they
just saw
see?
that one on the ground.
Yeah, I think that's the same person because that limo just brought them. Now it's out. There he goes.